So I got all of this for less than 70 bucks. A pack of 5 Scotch-Brite pads, Simple Green Max, 2 of the high heat Rust-Oleum engine paint, some tape to tape off a bunch of stuff, a little sanding brick because there's a spot I want to sand down, and that's it. Look at that. Where is it? Less than 70 bucks. Let's go. Now I've pretty much got all the wires off this side, but look at that battery tray. That needs to come off. And then I still have all of these wires to go. But that side's at least looking not bad. I just need to, obviously I need to clean it still, but with no wires. Okay, I'm cleaning up the engine bay right now. I have a bag over the transmission just because I don't want to paint it, but check this out. So I got pretty much all cleaned over here. I tried to take this battery tray out and the bolts are just like rusted so tightly on it that it's probably not going to come out, and I could definitely take it out. I just don't really care at this point. And then on this side, we just have to take off the box right here, and then I'm gonna leave this wire here because I'm gonna get a new wiring harness for the headlights, and then I'd like to tuck it beneath the fender somehow so you can't see it. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do over here with all this wiring and the brake booster. I'll probably chop the paint around it, but for the most part, I mean, we're looking good so far. I just wiped it down with some Clorox wipes. Just trying to get all the dust off. All right, I think it's time to go in with some Simple Green. I'm just gonna kind of spray it all around and then let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'll probably wash it off. I went and spent another 11 bucks on plastic drop cloths because I don't want to get it all over the fenders and the concrete on the floor. So add that to the total. I did tape off half of it at least, so look at this. So I'm gonna paint that half first. So I taped off obviously the fender right here. I think I'm gonna put plastic on top, and then I taped off all of this because I want to paint this front piece too. And then I went and sanded all this down so there's bare metal showing, but at least it's nice and smooth now, so you won't feel like this raised bit because it's all nice and smooth. Oh my god, it already looks so much better. And just so you know, I'm gonna be changing this out. I'm just painting it for now, but I'm gonna order one. How's that looking so far? That doesn't look that great, but I mean that side looks awesome. It's just kind of tight in that side. Damn, look at that. I'm Picasso. Okay, we'll ignore that. It's still drying, but looks good so far. That one was a little rough. So I ended up going crazy with the spray can. Looking good so far, look at it. So I think this side may need another coat. But we're looking good. That side, the first side I did is so good. Look at that. We got here. Never having spray painted anything in my life before. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty much done painting. As you can see, it looks great. I just gotta wait for it to dry now. So I'm gonna leave it like that probably overnight and then check back on it tomorrow.
You are